Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today, something unexpected happens on Jake's way to work. A police officer stops him. But the strange part is this. Jake doesn't know why. He thinks everything is normal. So what is the problem? And here's your listening question. What was Jake thinking about when the police officer stopped him? Listen carefully. The answer is somewhere in the story. You can write your answer in the comments after you finish listening. Let's begin.
Hey, Emma.
Morning, Jake. How are you?
I'm okay, but something strange happened this morning.
Really? What happened?
A police officer waved at me while I was riding my bike.
A police officer?
Yeah,
What did he want?
that's the strange part. I wasn't sure.
What do you mean?
At first, I thought he was talking to someone else.
Why?
There were a lot of people around, cars, bikes, and people walking.
That makes sense.
So I kept riding.
You kept going?
Only for a few seconds. Then he waved again.
Oh,
This time he looked right at me.
so he was talking to you.
Exactly.
What did you do?
I stopped my bike and looked around.
Were you worried?
A little.
I would be worried too.
I kept thinking, did I do something wrong?
That's a normal thought.
But I couldn't think of anything.
Did the officer look angry?
No, not at all.
That's good.
He looked calm.
Then maybe it wasn't a big problem.
Maybe, but I still felt confused.
I can understand that.
I ride to work almost every day. Nothing like this usually happens.
That's interesting.
That's exactly what I thought.
So what happened next?
That's where the story gets even stranger.
Now I'm curious.
I was curious too.
Come on, Jake, tell me.
Well, when I stopped, the officer walked over to me.
Okay.
Then he said something I really didn't expect.
What did he say?
I'll tell you, but first I need some coffee.
You're making me wait?
Just for a minute.
Fine, but now I really want to know.
Trust me, I didn't expect it either. Okay, I have my coffee now.
Good. Now tell me everything.
Before I do that, I think my morning is important.
Why?
Because I was in a hurry.
Running late?
Very late.
That's not like you.
I know, usually I'm early.
So what happened?
My alarm didn't go off.
Oh no.
I woke up 30 minutes late.
That's a bad start.
It got worse.
Really?
I couldn't find my office key.
Where was it?
In my jacket pocket.
Of course.
But I didn't know that at the time.
So you were searching everywhere.
Exactly.
That must have taken time.
It did.
Did you have breakfast?
No,
You skipped breakfast?
just a cup of coffee at home.
No wonder you were in a hurry.
Then I remembered the team meeting.
The meeting with Chris?
Yes,
That's an important one.
that's what I kept thinking about.
The meeting was on your mind the whole time?
Pretty much.
What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about my presentation.
Were you nervous?
A little. I wanted everything to go well.
That's understandable.
So when I got on my bike, I wasn't really paying attention.
You were thinking about work.
Exactly.
Maybe that's why.
Maybe that's why what?
Maybe that's why you didn't notice something.
That's possible.
Looking back, do you remember anything unusual?
Not really.
Nothing at all.
Well, there was one thing.
What was it?
I thought my bike felt a little different.
Different how?
I'm not sure.
That's helpful.
I know, it sounds strange.
Did you stop and check?
No,
Because you were in a hurry.
exactly.
And then the officer stopped you.
Right.
So what did he actually say?
The first thing he said surprised me.
Now you're making me curious again.
He pointed at my bike and asked me a question.
What question?
That's where everything started to make sense.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you for stopping.
Of course. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is okay.
That's good to hear.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
Did you know something is missing from your bicycle?
Missing?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Please take a look at the front of your bike.
The front.
That's right.
Let me see.
Take your time.
Huh.
Do you notice anything?
Wait a second.
Sure.
My bike light is gone.
That's correct.
I didn't notice.
I figured that might be the case.
It was there yesterday.
Really?
I'm pretty sure.
Then it may have fallen off.
Maybe.
Do you often ride at night?
Sometimes, yes.
Then the light is very important.
I understand.
A lot of people think a small light isn't a big deal.
I guess I never thought much about it.
The light helps drivers see you.
That makes sense.
It's for your safety.
For my safety.
Exactly.
Am I in trouble?
No, not today.
Really?
I'm giving you a reminder.
Thank you.
I just want you to stay safe on the road.
I appreciate that.
Were you in a hurry this morning?
Yes, actually.
I thought so.
Was it obvious?
A little.
I've been thinking about work all morning.
That happens.
I wasn't paying attention.
It happens to a lot of people.
I still can't believe I didn't notice.
The important thing is that you know now.
That's true.
Do you plan to get a new light today?
Yes, I do.
Good idea.
I'll stop by a bike shop after work.
Perfect.
Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome.
And thanks for being nice about it.
No problem. Have a safe ride.
I will. Thank you, officer.
Take care.
You too.
So, are you going to the bike shop after work?
Yes, that's the plan.
Good.
I don't want the same problem again.
That's smart.
The strange thing is that I still don't know what happened to my old light.
That's true.
It was there before.
At least you think it was there.
I'm pretty sure.
When was the last time you saw it?
That's a good question.
Try to remember.
Let me think.
Take your time.
I rode my bike on Saturday.
The ride by the river?
Yes,
Was the light there then?
I think so.
You think so.
Okay, maybe I'm not completely sure.
That's more honest.
Thanks.
Did you park your bike anywhere unusual?
Not really.
What about yesterday?
Yesterday was busy too.
Busy enough to forget things?
Apparently.
Maybe the light became loose.
That's possible.
Maybe it fell off while you were riding.
That could be it.
Was the light old?
Very old.
How old?
Maybe 4 years old?
4 years?
Is that bad?
It's not new.
Fair point.
Did you ever check the battery?
Not often.
Did you ever tighten it?
Not often.
I'm starting to see a pattern.
I don't like where this is going.
I think your bike light needed more attention.
You may be right.
Wait a second.
What?
Didn't you tell me something last week?
Maybe. I tell you a lot of things.
About your bike. You said something was rattling.
Oh,
You remember now?
I do.
Was it near the front wheel?
I think it was.
Then maybe the light was already loose.
That actually makes sense.
And because you were in a hurry this morning.
I didn't notice.
Exactly.
Wow.
What?
The officer may have helped me solve a mystery.
A very small mystery.
Still a mystery.
Fair enough.
Well, now I definitely need a new light.
And maybe a better habit.
Checking my bike more often?
Exactly.
That's probably a good idea.
So, bike shop after work?
Bike shop after work.
Good. Let's see what you find. So, did you get one?
I did.
Let me see it.
Here it is.
That looks nice.
The guy at the shop recommended it.
Was it expensive?
Not really.
That's good.
Actually, it costs less than I expected.
Even better.
Want to help me put it on?
Sure.
Thanks.
Hold the bike steady.
Like this?
Perfect.
This seems much easier than my old light.
Technology gets better.
Apparently.
Okay, it's attached now.
That was quick.
Let's test it.
Good idea.
Press that button.
This one?
Yes.
Wow.
Bright, right?
Very bright.
Much brighter than your old one.
That's true.
Can you point it toward the path?
Sure.
What do you think?
I can see everything.
Everything?
Okay, maybe not everything.
That's better.
But I can see much more than before.
That's what matters.
You know what's funny?
What?
I thought I was just buying a replacement.
And?
This feels like a big upgrade.
Sometimes replacing something old is a good thing.
I guess so.
How old was your old light again?
4 years.
That's a long time.
Now that I see this one, I agree.
Turn it off and on again.
Why?
I want to see the different settings.
Okay,
Oh, it flashes too,
that's useful.
especially at night.
The officer was right.
About what?
It's for your safety.
Exactly.
I didn't really think about that before.
A lot of people don't.
I just rode my bike and never paid attention.
Well, now you know.
And honestly, I feel better now.
Better how?
More confident.
That's great.
If I ride home after dark, I'll be easier to see.
And you'll see the road better too.
Exactly.
So today turned out okay.
Better than okay.
Really?
Yeah, this morning I thought I had a problem.
And now?
Now I think I got lucky.
That's an interesting way to look at it.
If the officer hadn't stopped me, I might still be riding with bad equipment.
That's true.
So maybe today was actually helpful.
I think it was.
Me too.
Well, that was quite a day.
It really was.
How do you feel now?
Much better.
Better than this morning?
Definitely.
This morning you looked confused.
I was confused.
And now?
Now everything makes sense.
That's good.
Looking back, it was actually a useful day.
I agree. Want to hear my summary?
Sure.
Okay. First, I was riding to work.
Right.
I was in a hurry.
Very much in a hurry.
Thanks for reminding me.
You're welcome.
Anyway, I was thinking about work and my meeting.
Not about your bike.
Exactly. Then what happened?
Then a police officer waved at me.
And you thought he was talking to someone else.
That's right.
I still find that funny.
I do too.
What happened next?
Then I stopped and talked to him.
And?
He pointed out my bike.
What was missing?
My bicycle light was missing.
There's the answer.
Yep.
Did you notice it before he told you?
Not at all.
Why not?
I wasn't paying attention.
Fair answer.
The officer said something important.
What did he say?
He said the light is important for your safety.
That's true.
At the time, I just listened.
And now?
Now I understand.
Good.
After that, I talked with you.
We tried to solve the mystery.
The mystery of the missing bike ride.
A very small mystery.
But still a mystery.
I'll give you that.
We think it probably fell off.
That's our best guess.
Then I went to the bike shop.
And bought a new light.
A much better light.
Don't forget that part.
I won't.
What surprised you the most?
Honestly,
Yes?
I didn't expect the new light to make such a big difference.
I noticed that too. The road looks much clearer.
And you'll be easier to see.
Exactly. So, what did you learn today?
Pay attention to my bike.
Good start.
Don't ignore small problems.
Also good.
And sometimes a reminder can be helpful,
Even from a police officer?
even from a police officer.
I like that answer.
You know, this morning I thought my day was getting worse.
And now?
Now I think it got better.
That's a nice ending.
It is.
Ready to ride home?
Absolutely.
With your new light?
With my new light.
Good. Stay safe.
I will. Thanks for listening today.
Anytime.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Jake.
Have a good night.
You too.
Nice work! You listened to a full English conversation from beginning to end. Before you go, let's review a few useful expressions from today's story. In a hurry. Jake said, I was in a hurry. This means you do not have much time. Example, I skipped breakfast because I was in a hurry. Looking back. Jake said, looking back, it was actually a useful day. This means thinking about something after it happened. Example, looking back, I'm glad I made that mistake. That makes sense. Emma used this expression several times. It means, now I understand. Example, my bike light fell off. Oh, that makes sense. Now let's go back to our listening question. What was Jake thinking about when the police officer stopped him? Write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember new vocabulary. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more natural English conversations and everyday stories. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can also become a member. Thanks for listening. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next English Listening Story.